we were using this online compiler to write and execute our code. It's a bit convenient because we don't have to install anything, but it has some limitations and it can't be used for professional programming. So what's the best option? Well, in Python, there are many tools like PyCharm, Anaconda. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session, and today we will study how to set up Anaconda. Anaconda is a distribution package used to write Python program. It provides us easy to use tools to install different components of Python, its editors and many things. Before we start, make a note that all the material and download links are in the material page URL, this one. First, we will download the Anaconda from this URL. Once the download is complete, click on the installer. After clicking on the next button, accept the agreement by pressing I agree. Then select to install just for me. If you are good at Windows permission, you can even select all users. That's up to you. Then you will see this destination folder screen. Change it if you want or let it be. It's default folder. For starters, I will suggest keep it as it is. Leave the advanced option as it is and click on install. Wait for the installation to complete. It's gonna take some time. After the installation, we will get this screen. Just click on the next button. Just ignore this PyCharm installation for now. We will see it in our later session. Now click on finish. Now the critical steps begin. Please stay focused over here. Click on the Windows button and then search for Anaconda. You will see this Anaconda navigator. Just open this. This is an Anaconda navigator. With Anaconda, you can easily install different packages and Python libraries. We will see how to install Python libraries in the later session, but we need to install some important stuff so that we can start writing our code. So first, look for Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is used to write small programs, especially while learning Python. Just click on the install over here. After the installation is complete, you will see this launch button. Click on that. In the right hand side corner, you will see this new button. Click on that and then click on Python 3. Well, this is our Jupyter Notebook. Write any program over here and then click on the run button. You are good to go. Well, this was about Jupyter Notebook. But from now onwards, we will not be using Jupyter Notebook. We will use Spyder to write and edit our programs. Just open the Anaconda navigator again and look for Spyder, this one. Now click on install. Again, it will take a while to install Spyder, so wait over here. After Spyder installation, please click on launch. Then click on the file and then new file. Just write the code to say hello using print statement. And click on the run. You will see output over here. That's the Python console. With Spyder, you can save your files and organize them properly. Well, this is all about using Anaconda, then Jupyter Notebook and Spyder. Listen, Anaconda is a bit slow, but it makes the writing program easier. There is another tool called PyCharm, but we will study that afterwards. Before moving to next session, please make sure that your Anaconda is properly installed. We will be using it most of the time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.